How to manage a text in Lambda. When writing in Lambda, it is very important to distinguish if you are writing mathematics, as in this case, 3 to the second cosine of alpha root or fraction, or alphanumeric text. In fact, only in the mathematical context are the functions for recognizing the structures of all the open and close elements active, or of the compensatory functions such as duplicate expression, or again of view structure, or of the calculator itself. By default, Lambda is obviously designed to write mathematics, but sometimes it can be useful to insert a text instead. For example, it can be the text of a problem or the explanation of a mathematical passage. So, here are some hints to manage the textual part. There are various ways to insert text markers. As always, directly from the keyboard by typing Ctrl+J. Two symbols appear on the page and are described in the status bar as opening the text, the former, and closing the text, the latter. In between, you can write a text directly from the keyboard. Obviously, to help teachers, the text is written in a different color just to point out its modalities. So in this case, it will be written in blue, while the green part represents the mathematical unique elements, and in red you will find the markers open and close, or in any case, the more complex structure. It is possible to insert them through Ctrl+J, or using the mouse, you can go to the icon menu where there is the context change symbol. So in clicking here, you will find open and close text, or in the drop-down menu, there is the insertion of the change of context with a suggestion of the relevant quick keys, in this case, Ctrl+J. However, if you want to write a mathematical part within the text environment, for example, a root here in the middle, first type Ctrl+R. This way the system closes the textual part and opens a subsequent one, so that the textual part will always be distinct from the mathematical one. Finally, the last thing to say is that it is always possible to insert in the textual part also a part of text copied, for example, from Word and pasted here. For instance, if I open a page in Word containing a physics test, it is possible to select it, copy it, and then directly paste it in Lambda. This is interesting, for example, for the transcribers of school text in Lambda, or also to quickly transcribe the text of problems, because it is precisely possible to reuse textual parts of existing documents and insert them through copy and paste as alphanumeric text.